All right, if you need some fall decor / Thanksgiving front porch inspo, you clicked on the right video because everything is going to be super affordable from Walmart. I went through tons of Walmart fall decor and I found the most trendy, modern, and chic pieces that I cannot wait to share with you guys. A lot of these items you can use throughout your home as well to just kind of give you some inspiration and ways that you can style your home when you're hosting and just hanging out this fall and Thanksgiving season. So like always, everything that I share in today's video will be linked down below in the description box so you easily can shop all of the items that I've shared in today's video. And the great thing about Walmart is their shipping tends to be very, very quick. So if you need something last minute, you shouldn't have to worry. So let's go ahead and jump on in to the decor. All right, so let's start off with these gorgeous wreaths. They just scream fall. I love all the details. They're 24 inches. They have some acorns, some pumpkins, some glitter, husks mixed in there. Right around $24 for each of them, which I think is a great deal. Quality is really nice. It holds well. And we just have it hung up here on little holders. And getting two on each door I felt like looked really good, but if you just have one door you could easily get away with one. I also love the neutral colors of these. That way when we have like little pops of color like in this gorgeous fall tree, this actually is one of my favorites of the entire porch. This is also very, very easy to style in your home as well. I'll show how it looks in a living room corner space as well here on the screen. But what's really great is this is actually a light up tree as well. So it has like 6 different light functions. So it's gorgeous in the evening, but then also just looks absolutely beautiful like out here on the porch in the daylight as well. I love the twigs, the colors on this. It looks very natural. It was super simple to put together. Now it comes in a few size options. This is actually the 6 foot. But it is also available in 4 foot option and then a few others as well. I just feel like with the whole porch and the size of the porch that this 6 foot worked best. Very simple to put together. You just open up the branches, you stick it in a rod, and then it has little feet down at the bottom. We just have it plugged in so in the evening it'll light up and it just looks absolutely beautiful. Like I said, this is one of my favorite fall items that I have purchased. I mean, this tree is just gorgeous. In fact, I think this would look beautiful if you even wanted to have one here and one in the other corner if you have space on your porch area. Next, let's talk about these chairs. I am obsessed with these chairs. They look gorgeous in an indoor room as well. So the upholstery on this is really good quality. And then I love the arm details on this. It has that kind of rattan look to them, which I feel like just looks gorgeous. Gorgeous for fall. Really nice quality. It does come in a set of 2. It's currently on deal right now. Actually not sold out on walmart.com, but I found the exact set on Home Depot and actually it's on deal on there right now. So that's huge. Something I love about the chairs is they're actually functional, very, very comfortable, and the quality is great. These chairs come in multiple color options, but I just liked the cream and the brown. I felt like it just went with all of the neutral kind of modern tones. These pillows I was really, really impressed with by Walmart. So I love the textures and the tones that are different on this. It's a 14 by 24 inch. Price is really good. They're just under $16. They're a nice, fluffy, sturdy pillow that just looks like really great quality. And I feel like the tones in the pillow match super well with the chair and everything else that we have going on here. Moving on to this little end table. I did not expect to love it as much as I did. $22. Super simple to assemble. It just comes with the leg stands you open up and then you just stick the tray on top. So the tray is actually easily removable and it comes in this nice black color, also available in white, and it's on deal for $22 on Walmart right now. Incredible. So I went ahead and added one here in the corner, and to make it symmetrical, also one over there. Like I said, $22. I'm very, very impressed with them. And then moving on to the tray, I actually got a strand of garland. It comes in a pack of 2. I really like the colors, so beautiful, and it looks really natural. So lots of greens, yellow, orange. So I just had that go all around, and then I decided to fill it in with these little packs of pumpkins. So it comes with acorns, little gold pumpkins. These are also a part of the set. That one is, and that one. So it just kind of filled it and made it look really beautiful, very natural looking. I'm obsessed. And then I filled in with these little knit pumpkins. These are amazing. So they're $12.98 for the pumpkin, and they're great. They're great to use indoor as well. They're like kind of like a pumpkin pillow. They come in multiple colors. We have it in the cream up there. We have it in orange, and then also a dark brown. And again, this is just a really great filler piece here. And these are my absolute favorite, and they're pretty good size. You can see here, here's my hand. So the sizing on it is really, really beautiful as well. And it's something different. I like the texture difference as opposed to just like all of the normal pumpkins that you get. Let's go ahead and move on to these lanterns. So I think these are amazing. Great to use all year round. Summer, you can switch out some greenery. Fall, you can put some candles. In winter, you can put some holiday things in there, like even little Christmas balls. So it comes in 3 size options. I got the large and the small. Prices ranging between like $16 to $27 depending on which size you get. I love that it has a little handle on the top, so they're easy to move. You can just open up the little door. We stuck in some candles which look beautiful at night, but then also just look great in the daytime as well. They're very sturdy, really great quality. Again, they're a really great kind of filler piece for like around chairs. You can put it underneath the tree if you don't want to stick a chair there, and they're just absolutely beautiful. And especially if your porch has stairs, it's just wonderful to just take mums or just filler pumpkins and kind of have them draping down the porch. I think that looks beautiful. Mums are such a great way to fill space, and they're really inexpensive as well. And I learned a little hack with mums. You just put them in a little bit of water. I also love with mums that you can get them in a few other color options as well. So I just filled it in with some pumpkins, and I feel like that completed the space really, really well. And to kind of pull in the space, we did go ahead and go with this checkered rug. It is 4 by 6 foot, nice quality, great outdoor rug, and it was under $40, so really, really affordable. And I felt like the black and white check really kind of brought in all of the fall colors. It goes well with the wreaths and everything. I just love how this turned out. And a lot of these items are great because you can actually style them in your home as well. So if you have family gatherings and things like that coming up for Thanksgiving and the holidays, these are going to be just really great pieces that you can use multi-purpose in your home as well, so they don't have to be just used on your front porch. And then last but definitely not least, I'm going to show a little clip next of it in the dark so you can just see how gorgeous it looks, how beautiful the lighting looks too. Something that was really great is if you take like some lighting and have it shine up on your decorations. I feel like that just really elevates it and looks so. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, in particular Christmas coming up, let me know down in the comment section below and I'd be happy to do so. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye friends.